Hi folks, Jeff here with today's tech tip. As you can see, we're switching out the strut assemblies on this vehicle, and when I say strut assembly, you notice we've got the strut cartridge, we've got the spring, and we got the mount all together. That's why it's called a strut assembly. Now you can buy just the strut cartridge, which is this part here, but we have to put it in the machine and compress the spring to hold it, take the top off, and then trade it out. But with a strut assembly, you get the whole assembly, so you just pull it out and put the other one in. Now the tech tip that I want to show you is I always put a reference mark on mine right here that shows me which bolt is facing out. The reason I do that is because a lot of the strut assemblies that you buy, they're not clocked right. In other words, this top piece is not turned at the right angle. So you're trying to put it back up in there, and it's like the bolts won't line up right, and you're like, what's the matter? Well, if you'll just put you a little reference mark on here that shows, you can see this is where it bolts into the hub assembly, and then, or the knuckle down there, and this is where it's pointing out. Well, let me show you on this one. If I bring this up and hold it like this, you'll see that the two tops don't match. So in other words, now I know where the reference point is, so what I have to do is put this one in the vise to hold it, and I have to rotate this top all the way around. You can't just grab it with the screwdriver and twist it, because we've got the pressure from the spring on here. So if I put this in our machine over there and compact that spring, I could twist that around also. But that's today's tech tip I want to show you. So even though you buy another part, it doesn't mean it's just going to fit right up in there just correctly. As always, I appreciate you watching.